SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video to answer the question of can you take a video of your iPhone screen? If this guide helps you out, please consider subscribing and liking this video. While you might be familiar with how to take a screenshot on your iPhone by pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time, you might also be interested in trying to take a video of your screen. While you might have thought that this would involve some additional app that you download from the App Store, this functionality is actually on the iPhone by default. So if you want to take a video of your iPhone screen, then you can start by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Control Center option, and then you can scroll down again and tap the button to the right of Screen Recording to add it to the Control Center. Now you'll see that this is in this top section up here, which means that you now have a screen recording button in your Control Center. So we can open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to find the screen recording button here, which looks like one circle inside of another circle. If you tap this button, it's going to start a countdown, and once that countdown ends, then the screen recording is going to begin, as indicated by this red rounded rectangle around the clock at the top of the screen. Or if you have an iPhone model that has a dynamic island, then you're going to see a stop recording button in the dynamic island. Once you've finished doing whatever you wanted to record, you can either tap on that stop button or you can tap on the red rectangle around the clock, and then you can select the stop option. That's going to save the screen recording video to your Photos app. Now you're going to find that these screen recordings don't have any audio, so if you would like to enable the microphone to record audio on the phone while you do a screen recording, then you can go back to the Control Center, and then rather than just tapping on the screen recording button, you're going to tap and hold on it. Now you should see at the bottom there's a microphone off button. So if you tap that, it's going to switch to microphone on, which means that the microphone is enabled for the screen recording, which you can either start by tapping that start recording button on this menu, or you can go back and you can start the recording in the same way that you started it before.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.